This is day 7 after 10 apps in 10 days. I built this URL shortener with AI in 19 minutes. Companies charge $10 a month for this feature. Here's how I did it. Okay, to start up this project, I have to get a prompt from Copilot to Amazon Q, and it actually gave me a prompt, and I pasted it in Amazon Q, and it took some time to create the project. After it's done, we can npm install now and at the same time configure the database. After a while, it got finished and I had to run npm run setup as the instructions, and everything was set up, and now I was ready for npm run dev. At the start of the application, we get the same error as before, and let's just fix that and try again. I got some issues at first startup, so I just gave prompts so it got fixed. Another unhandled error, and after some time it got fixed and we had the URL shortener. And you can see it's a simple database, but it's very powerful. So let's just start testing it. At first it gave an internal error, so internal server error, so let's give a prompt for it to get fixed. It got fixed, but we get another database error, so let's just fix that error. After fixing the error, I tried again, and boom, we have our URL shortened. We have a QR code. We can generate a QR code here, and it worked on my phone. When I test this URL, I didn't got actually what I wanted, so I just give a prompt to fix it. And here we go, we have fixed the issue. And then I tried signing Google, but it got blocked. I will fix it later. So here we go, we have our URL shortener. And let's go to more options and test them. You can see we can create alias, we can add expiration date, we can add a password. So at first it didn't work. I tried to fix it by giving some prompts. And after some time, finally worked, but the password wasn't working, so I just went back and gave a prompt to fix the password issue. After it got fixed, I get a link not found issue. I tried again to fix that error. After some time, I finally managed to fix that issue and have a fully functional URL generator. You can see that we have incorrect password. And then now let's fix the Google issue. It took me some time, but after some time I just managed to fix that. And boom, we have unhandled runtime error from the server. Boom, we have our URL shortener working fine. So let's just try to do some testing again, and it got fixed. So that is it. That is our URL shortener that we have created for today. Let's keep building and have a nice day.